Yeah, I totally forgot. But all right. Okay.
I'm putting you back on mute.
Okay. So anyways, what we're going to be talking about is, just we're going to be practicing on multiplying fractions, okay? We're just going to make sure that we're strong with working with our fractions. So it's pretty, it's pretty straightforward, right? Let's say we have 2/3 and then 7 over 11, and we're going to multiply those together, right? All we have to do is multiply straight across. So 2 times 7, which would be 14, and then 3 times 11, which is 33.
33.
Yes.
14 over 33.
Now, can we reduce that fraction, 14 over 33?
To a mixed number. It would be 4.
Hey, Lindsay.
What?
4 and
Who
2/3.
wants to know if you're gonna buy us food?
Oh, you're funny.
How you're funny?
That's kind of messed up.
That's kind of messed up. Okay.
Y'all have money?
Okay. But anyways, so no, not necessarily. It can't be a mixed number because 14 is not bigger than 33, right? And
Sir, my thing keeps cutting off.
even though, well, it's okay. We're recording, so even though 14 and 33 aren't prime numbers, there's no common factor between them. The greatest common factor is 1, so we can't actually reduce that anymore. Okay. Anyways, let's move on. Next example I got is 5 over 6 times 14 over 3. Right? So we multiply straight across. 5 times 14.
What?
That would actually give us 70.
70.
And 6 times 3.
18.
18. Okay.
Yeah, I love math.
So we can reduce this fraction, and we can actually divide both of these by 2. Okay. So if we divide both of them by 2, then we have 35 over 9. Okay. And that's about as far as it can go. 35 over 9. Okay. We can also write that as a mixed number. So right now it's an improper fraction, but we can write that as a mixed number. Okay. So how many times does 9 go into 35?
It's 4 times, right?
Actually,
Wait.
Twice, right?
it would actually be 3 times, right? In between there. So 3 times because 9 times 3, that's 27. Because if we do 4, then that's 36, right? So then the difference right here is 8. So how do we write this? It's 3 and then 8 over 9. That's another way of writing the answer, right? As a mixed number.
Just gonna go ahead and screenshot that.
Okay, so.
Please, bro.
I didn't drop my fidget spinner. You dropped your fidget spinner.
Okay, so then next thing we got is 2 over 7 times 5. Okay, so very important thing, right? And we're going to talk about this a little bit more when we're in class, but we're going to talk about hidden math, right? What's some of the things that we know are there, but we don't usually see on a page, right? So to multiply
five?
this, under the 5, what do we assume is under the 5? What do we always assume is under the 5?
1.
The 1, right? Because anything divided by 1 is just the same number. Okay, so if I divide 5 by 1, it's still 5. Okay,
It's
so
cinco.
now we just need to multiply straight across, and we got 10 over 7. Now we can't reduce that any further because 7 is a prime number, right? So we can't reduce that anymore. But can we write it as a mixed number?
Mm-hmm.
What would it be?
1 with 3 over 7.
1 and then 3 over 7. Exactly.
Oh.
Next one, say we have 6 times 8 over 12. Again, we assume that under the 6 there is a 1. So we multiply straight across.
48 over 12.
Right, so 48 over 12.
Busy.
And well, 48 over 12, what does that simplify to?
4.
Exactly, so 48 over 12 actually simplifies down to 4 because we can divide 48 by 12. So the answer would be 4.
I think it's 4.
Okay. All right, last thing we need to, be clear with. We have our mixed number 2 and 3/4, right?
Okay.
How do we change that into an improper fraction? Because usually I don't really like working with mixed numbers. I prefer to work with them as improper fractions. So how do we change that into an improper fraction?
Don't you multiply and then add?
Right, so you're actually going to multiply the bottom, and then whatever you get, you're going to add it to the top. So if we multiply 4 times 2, that gives us 8.
8.
And then you add that to the 3. So we're going to have 11 over 4. Okay.
11 distinct over 4.
11 over 4. And the reason why is because I prefer to do this before multiplying. Well, actually, you should do this before multiplying a mixed number and a fraction, right? So if we were to say 4 and 1 over 6, and then we multiplied that by 8 and 2 over 5, we should change those into an improper fraction first before multiplying them. Okay. So 4 and 1, 6. Remember, we need to multiply the bottom and add it to the top. So what's 6 times 4?
He's frozen.
Hey, did you guys all freeze, huh?
Okay. I got that much. Oh. Sir, you're lagging.
Yeah, you're lagging really bad, sir. Oh no.
Oh!
Man.
Where'd he go?
Is it just
Is he
us?
out?
Yeah.
Mr. Rodriguez,
Right
come
there.
back.
Yeah.
He muted
It's still
himself.
recording.
Okay, we're back.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Goodness.
There we go.
I got scared.
Okay, so anyways. Actually, let's do this. So 2 and 3 over 4 times 10 over 33. That should be a 10.
Oh.
Okay.
What in the world is
We
cooking?
should turn this into an improper fraction first. So we're going to multiply the bottom. And we're going to add it to the top. So 4 times 2 gives us 8. And we add it to
Plus
3.
11.
11 over 4 multiplied by 10 over 33.
That's a
Now,
lot, C8.
we can just multiply that straight across. Okay, so 11 times 10, that should give us 110. And 4 times 33 is 132. And in the end, that actually starts reducing to 5 over 6. Yep.
Screenshot that. Just in case.
All right, so, pretty simple. Try to practice reducing as much as you can. But, I mean, technically, if you don't reduce, the answer isn't wrong, right? It's just that we prefer to reduce it as much as we can because we don't like working with big numbers. We don't want to work with 110 over 132. We'd rather work with 5 over 6 instead. Okay?
Yes.
All right, so let me see. So for today, I'm gonna give you guys
No.
seven practice problems on
No.
multiplying fractions, okay? And I'm just gonna show you guys how to turn that in with Google Slides, okay? So let me just show you guys really quick how this is gonna work, okay?
Go.
There goes Desi.
Okay.
Oh, I thought you were dead. No. Oh, I thought you went away again, sir.
Oh, I
Okay.
thought that was my computer doing that. But it was his.
Yeah.
I was like, what is my computer doing?
Okay. So let's just I'm gonna post the question separately. It's gonna be 7.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah.
Are you going to post it like that? Because the other teachers, they're posting like stuff like that. And it says like go to Google Docs and stuff. And it takes for like hours to load.
What do you mean hours?
It takes
It
forever.
does.
How though?
Like it says, it has the little, what's it called? You just click on it and then it says it'll take you to Google Docs or whatever. And you click on it and it takes forever to load.
I'm not
It
like
does.
it's not gonna go to Google Docs. The way that I'm gonna
Okay.
post it is that it's gonna be on Google Classroom, okay? And all you have to
Okay.
do is click on that, and you should get like your own like copy of this, okay?
Okay,
So
just
it's your own
making
copy
sure.
that you can work on. Yeah, it's not gonna take you to a Google Drive because like I'd rather not mess with that.
Okay.
So
Gotcha.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post the problem separately, and then you're gonna put your answers on here. So let's just say, I don't know, we're gonna do 2/3 times 1 over 3, right? Let's say that's the first question. Question number 1 is 2/3 times 1 over 3. So to put the answer, let's just say I figure out my answer is gonna be 2 over 9, okay? So I'm gonna put 2 over 9 as the answer, right? I want you guys to practice uploading your work, okay? So what you're gonna do is that you're either gonna come up, and I can't show you because I'm on Zoom right now, but you're gonna come up here where it says insert, image, and then camera, okay? So right here, it's gonna let you take a picture with your computer's camera. And so all you have to do is, put it up to the camera like that and take a picture, and then it's gonna come up on the Google slide, okay?
Gotcha.
That's one way. But to me, the
Insert
easier
and
way,
camera?
yeah, insert,
Okay.
insert, image, and then camera.
Insert cam. Got it.
Hey, look who's joining us all late.
Who?
Asia.
Oh.
I didn't even notice she wasn't
When
here.
does this class end, sir?
Soon,
Yeah,
as soon as we're done with this.
She want to be gone, sir. She don't like you.
She doesn't.
I
Okay.
like you,
No.
sir.
We just got things to do.
I know. I get it.
Like,
I ain't got nothing to do. I'm working out.
Okay. But anyways, so that's one way. I think the easier way is if you download the app on your phone, the Google Slides app. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna open the Google Slides on your phone, and from there you can actually upload. So I'm gonna put a tutorial video on this on the Google Classroom, but at the top, like you go to the slide and at the top you have an addition symbol. You're gonna put image and then camera, and then you're just gonna take a picture of your work, okay? And then it's posted directly on there. And just wait a second. There we go. So you see?
Yeah.
I just posted that
I
directly
can't.
from the phone.
But it can go to your computer?
Yeah, so what you're
It
gonna
won't
do is
show.
you're gonna open this Google Slide on your phone, and then you're just gonna post it on directly.
It's an app you download?
Oh, I see.
Yeah, Google Slides. You can download the Google Slides app. And I'll put up a tutorial video just so you guys can see how it looks like from the phone. Okay.
Yeah, you should do that.
Yeah. So that way, you can just put the answer 2/9, and then right here you have the work. And so I just want you guys to practice this because I might be doing it this way when we're in school, just to kind of reduce the amount of paper that we have. You know.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's just practice it.
Okay.
If
Sir,
you guys are
can I
having trouble, just let me know.
Yes, sir.
Wait, this is due tomorrow?
No, this is gonna be due on Friday. Okay. So
Okay.
since you guys are in the
Okay.
Zoom, you're already present for the day.
Cool.
And yeah, like so this is gonna be due on Friday. Asia, what's up? You made it,
Hi.
so that's
Yeah, I
okay.
was having trouble with the thing.
That's okay. Either way, I'm gonna post a video of the notes so you can write them down. Okay.
Okay.
Sound good? But
Okay.
if you guys don't have any other questions, then that's pretty much it for today.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes,
Guys
sir,
have a good one.
Mr. O.
Deuces.
Is it still recording?
Is that
It's
it?
not recording.
Yeah. So make sure the video is gonna be posted on Google Classroom. Okay.
Yeah, because I'm going to need that because I didn't listen to anything. I was working.
It is recording.
All right. That's fine, man. Okay.
You ran over the weeds.
Congrats, David. You worked.
Wait, sir.
Yeah.
So whatever I miss, you're gonna post it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alrighty, sir. I'll see you later, then.
All right.
Don't
see
work
you.
too hard.
all right, GG's. GG's, my guy.